Kuri na haho nene kaunti-ini ya Taita Taveta thutha wa nyanake iria kurerikana irihetwo ni muhuranirio mwe wa giturwa kia ugavana mwena ucio gutharikira na guthukagia maratathi ma wikiria wa kura thiini wa ceceni nene ya utareri wa kura. Kuringana na murugamiriri wa githurano kiu mwena ucio Anderson Mwaloma, mena mwihoko munene wa gukorwo makiriki utari wa kura icio gukinyiria muthia wa muthenya wa umuthi. Mwaloma aratetia wigucia wa utari wa kura icio na githagathago kiria giacungireirio ni nyanake kuri avitha kurugamirira kura na uguo kuoya mahinda makiria. Ningi no akuruhanitie gucererwo guku na gucerithirio kwa maratathi magwikiria kura undu uria uracungireirie githurano kiu kwambiriria mathaini ma thaa mugwanja na kumwe kwambiriria mathaini ma hwaini.
On Monday, when we were doing the briefing for the election materials, we were interrupted by goons who came around and virtually threatened the lives of the participants in that meeting. We lost about 2 to 3 hours after we have been chased out, but the security, fortunately, was very quick in acting.
Githurano kiu kia wamurani kiama-ini kia ODM na gikoretwo gikigomerwo muno ni ngahiha kuria aria manyitirira iturwa makiria cia ugavana makoretwo makirikana ni maraiya kura. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Taita Taveta, Njitagwo Maina, Kihumo.